27 uniform, 3 miles from Mickey, flight heading 060, maintain 2000 until established, clear for the RNAV runway 90 approach.
27 uniform, turn heading 060, maintain 2000, clear RNAV.
Turn right away, don't wait.
Okay, clear runway 90 RNAV approach to Crystal River.
Maintain 2000 until established.
Maintain 2000 until established.
Okay, 060.
Oh, 060.
Roll out. Wait for the needle to center, then turn.
Okay.
Okay, there is the needle. Move, turn, 096.
096.
Okay, now you're gonna center the CDI, keep it there.
Okay.
Okay, so now Mickey is our final approach fix.
Yes.
So our final approach fix, we're gonna do the 6Ts, right? You know the 6Ts? Time,
no.
turn, twist, throttle, torque, tire.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, we'll talk about it later.
Okay.
Okay, that's the final approach fix. So before landing check.
Okay. Seatbelt, fuselage on.
Okay.
10 degree.
Not yet.
Not yet.
We do that as we cross final.
Okay.
Right, check traffic. We are 5 mile final runway 90.
Okay.
Don't touch anything.
Okay.
We are 1.5 from Mickey. Tell traffic we 5 mile final.
Okay. Crystal River traffic, Dodge 627 uniform on 5 mile final runway 90 Crystal River.
Okay, now as we approach that, we have to begin a descent and follow. There's no glide slope here, but we follow a profile, 3-degree profile. Okay.
Okay.
So we're crossing Mickey now. Power reduce 15.
Power reduce 15.
Okay. Below 140, gear down.
Before 140, check gear down.
Okay. Continue. Keep the needle center. You see the runway over there? You need to turn to the right to center the needle.
Okay.
Turn to the right, center the needle. The wind is blowing from the east, northeast.
Yes.
So you have to turn more to the right. Turn more to the right to intercept the CDI.
Okay.
Okay, you inside the white arc, 10-degree flaps.
10-degree flaps. So YR. 1, 2, 3.
Right. Time, turn, start the timer. Time, turn, twist, OBS 094. Tire, torque. Okay. Now we want to pitch for 100.
Pitch for 100.
Alright, now we are 3 miles from Extown, so continue.
Okay.
But you have to make wind correction to keep the needle centered, right?
Yes.
So turn to the right, intercept the needle, keep it here.
Okay.
Okay, and then when you come in on the approach, everything is looking like that, very beautifully. You have needle center, you have 1,500 feet to go,
yes.
Right? Everything looks good, and an engine failed.
Okay.
Do something. Do something.
Everything.
Everything forward. Everything forward.
And
Identify. Okay, very good. Verify. And continue the approach. Guard the good. Guard the good. Okay. Do you need to go around? No. Be careful with your descent rate. Don't descend that steep.
Okay.
Pitch for blue line. You want to maintain blue line.
Okay.
Don't mess up the approach, okay?
Okay.
Bring the power back slowly. You want to maintain the same approach. Stabilize. You coming in for landing, right?
Yes.
If you cannot hold your altitude, you need to put the gear down.
Okay.
But we are 2 mile final, so we continue the approach. Follow the center line.
Follow the center line.
All right. Okay, so we did what we could. Tell traffic you are 2 mile final runway 90.
Okay. Crystal River traffic, Dodge 27 uniform, final runway 90, 2 miles, Crystal River.
So what we want to do now is do a stabilized approach for landing.
Okay.
I want you to reduce power about 20, 25, 24, and pitch for blue line. Continue descending though, maintain 500 feet per minute.
Okay.
Reduce more power, 20,
more power.
About, that's good, that's good.
Okay.
Hold it there.
Hold it.
Pitch for blue line.
Pitch for blue line.
Okay, maintain directional control. Pitch for blue line.
Pitch for blue line.
Okay, good. Continue descending. Don't level up. Continue descending. I just want you to maintain blue line.
Okay.
Okay. Comps.
Okay. Gasoline on.
Gas on.
The carriage.
3 greens. Make sure. Okay, look outside.
Okay.
We're going to come in for landing. Line up with the center line.
Line up with the center line.
Okay. As you get closer to the runway, you want to maintain blue line. Okay.
Yes.
Guard the good.
Guard good.
Guard the good.
Okay.
And when we get ready to close the throttle, you grab both throttles together. Okay. Now start pitching for 80. Reduce power slowly. Power slowly.
Slowly.
Power slowly.
Slowly.
Power back to 18. You're high, so reduce more power.
Reduce more power.
Okay. Good. Keep it right there. Hold it right there. Now, let's see how we're doing.
Okay.
80 looks good. Maintain that speed all the way to the threshold.
Okay.
Okay. The left engine, the right engine is dead, so you want left aileron, right rotor, right rotor,
right rotor,
center line. There you go.
Okay. Then
we want the nose straight, so we need right rotor.
Right rotor.
Reduce power idle. Power idle.
Idle.
Before you touch down, reduce power idle. Okay. And maintain directional control.
Sure.
Bring the nose all the way up.
Okay, brakes.
Yeah, brake, and then we exit on the next one.
Okay. Oh man. It's exciting.
Okay, power back to 1,000 and exit the runway.
Okay. That's very clear.
Yep.
Kushiro traffic, Dutch 27 uniform, clear for runway 9, taxi back to FBO, Kusu River. Okay, clean up, flaps up. The cold flat full open, checked. The on the standby.